In this video, we want to talk about the different methods of drawing circles in AutoCAD software. To draw a circle in AutoCAD software, we use the circle command. Its shortcut is also C. All you need to do is type C and press enter. When I enter the command, all I have to do is follow its instructions. It tells me to specify the center point of the circle. So just click anywhere you like on the screen to set the center of the circle. Now it asks you to specify the radius of the circle. For example, I enter 500 and press enter, and immediately it draws a circle with a radius of 500 for me. Now I want to draw a circle with a diameter of 1000. It should look similar since the previous one had a radius of 500. This time I want the diameter to be 1000. So I type C, enter, and select the center point again. After selecting the center, it gives me the diameter subcommand. I just need to type D, enter, and now enter 1000, then press enter. You see, they are exactly on top of each other, one with a radius of 500, the other with a diameter of 1000. For the next method of drawing a circle, I type C, enter, and the 3-point subcommand appears, written as 3P. With this, you can draw a circle that passes through any 3 points you choose. We know that through any 3 points, not on a straight line, a circle can be drawn. This is a geometric rule. So I type 3P, and now I just need to select 3 points on the screen, 1, 2, 3. See, I clicked on 3 points and the circle was drawn. Now, again, I type C, enter to enter the circle command once more. For the 2-point subcommand, I type 2P. With this subcommand, you can draw a circle where the 2 points you select are the end points of the diameter. For example, suppose you want to draw a circle where one end of the diameter is the center of this circle and the other end is the center of that circle. You see, the circle is exactly passing through the centers of these two. For the next method, I enter the command again. There's a method called TTR where each T stands for tangent, so it draws a circle that is tangent to two objects and you define its radius. I just need to type T and press enter. I select the first line and say I want the desired circle to be tangent to this line. Then I select the second circle and say I want it to be tangent to this one as well. Does it necessarily have to be a circle? It doesn't have to be just any line. It can definitely be a straight line. I select this as well, and now all you need to do is specify the radius. For example, I enter a radius of 1000. It draws a circle that is tangent to this, tangent to that, and its radius is 1000. But among the circle drawing methods, there is one method that isn't found in the subcommands. It's up here. If you bring up the ribbons, in the circle command, there's a subcommand called tan, tan, tan. With this, you can draw a circle that is tangent to 3 objects. To show you this, I'll delete these 2. Now I have 3 objects. All I need to do is select the tan, tan, tan method here, then simply click on these 3, and it will easily draw the desired circle that passes through and is tangent to all 3 objects. Well, these were the different methods for drawing circles. I hope you find them useful. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so that as soon as a new tutorial is published, you have access to it. See you.